My smoke's on the ground. It's a good hit. You're cleared on. Hit my smoke. Mustang 10, smoke inside. Juvet flight check. Mosquito, Juvet 1 and 2, 500 pounders, rockets and stripes. Copy, Juvet. Confirm you're in the vicinity of the IP Speedway. Holding IP Speedway. Copy, proceed to inbound. Standby tasking. Proceeding inbound. Bearcat, you're cleared hot. Hit the smoke from Mustang right in front of you. Cleared hot, Bearcat. T-Bird, Mosquito, check. Hit further south, 5 millimeters. Copy, Juvet. Hit further south, the Bearcat smoke. Just south, the Bearcat smoke. Juvet, Wilco, Juvet into the north. Now it's Mosquito. Juvet, check gear. T-Bird, Mosquito. T-Bird up Speedway, IP. IP Speedway, proceed inbound hill 325. I need you to come inbound with 20 millimeters. T-Bird inbound. Mustang Mosquito, I need an immediate re-attack. Last target area. Roger that, immediate negative tally on the T-Bird. Copy that, and Bearcat, follow Mustang again. I'll have new tasking once you're inbound. We'll go, Bearcat. Mustang inbound, right straight now, T-Bird strike. Mustang, you're cleared hot. Bearcat, Mosquito, new target. It's only as the top road coming out of your last target, eastbound, about 500 meters. Troops in the open, want you to hit those. Inside Bearcat, rolling on target, 30 seconds out. Juvet will be in the north, behind Cat Flight. We've got him on the run southwest. Don't report down to Mosquito, copy. Juvet, you copy, move south. Move from your last target area, move south. Juvet, moving south. T-Bird, Mosquito, you have some 500 pounders. Proceed inbound. Same target area, standby new tasking. Crown, what's the